Desert sand, lifeless, dry, and unable to support crops. But what if we could change that? The Sahara alone grows by 48 kilometers every year. But what if we could stop desertification and even reverse it? This is the start of my research into transforming barren sand into something that can grow food. I've been studying ancient methods, modern science, and practical techniques to see if there's a way to make this work. Today, I'm starting with one of the key components, something that could be a game changer for desert farming. In theory, improving soil involves a few critical factors: structure, water retention, and nutrients. I'll be testing a mix of materials to see if they make a difference. Some of these methods go back centuries, but I'll be adapting them for today. One material that has been used for centuries to improve soil is a special kind of processed carbon. Making it isn't as simple as burning wood, it has to be done in a specific way. I'll be creating my own version to test how it interacts with the sand. This is just the first step. Once this material is ready, I'll mix it with sand and start the real tests. The next phase is crucial. How will this mix hold water? Will plants survive in it? Over the next few weeks, I'll be testing different variations, adjusting as I go and documenting the results. If this experiment succeeds, it could mean big things, not just for small-scale growers, but for large-scale desert farming. I have no idea where this research will lead, but that's the point of experimentation. If you're as curious as I am, stick around.